Tired of guessing your way through cooking rice or grains? Imagine pressing one button and having perfectly fluffy rice, oatmeal, or quinoa ready in minutes. The Instant Zest rice and grain cooker makes that promise a reality with its 4 smart cooking programs designed to deliver consistent results fast. Whether you're craving a hearty bowl of oatmeal or a side of brown rice, this cooker takes the guesswork out of meal prep so you can focus on what matters. What makes the Instant Zest stand out is how it adapts to your lifestyle. Its compact 8-cup cooked capacity is ideal for single servings or small family meals, saving you time and effort. I've used it to prepare everything from raisin cinnamon oatmeal in the morning to rice and steamed veggies for dinner. The included dishwasher-safe steamer tray lets you gently steam fish, dumplings, or fresh vegetables while your grains cook. Plus, the bright display keeps you informed at every step, so you're never left wondering if your meal is done. Safety is top of mind, too, with over 10 built-in features including overheat protection and a safe locking lid, giving you peace of mind while you cook. Beyond the presets for common grains, the Instant Zest lets you fine-tune cooking times and temperatures to match your family's tastes. It handles everything from millet and farro to barley and even rice pudding, all perfectly cooked without standing over the stove. When you need your meal ready on your schedule, delay start and keep warm functions ensure your food is fresh and hot exactly when you want it. Plus, the free Instant Pot app offers new recipe ideas to keep your meals exciting and simple to prepare. If you're someone who values convenience without compromising quality, the Instant Zest rice and grain cooker is worth a look. It's more than just a rice cooker, it's a versatile kitchen helper that fits right into your busy day. Try it when you're ready to enjoy perfectly cooked grains and steamed dishes with minimal effort.